Now children, first statement we will study. See children, what it is written in first statement. If statement consists of the condition followed by one or more statements. If the condition is said to be true, the statement under if conditions are executed. Like now children, see the proper format for if statement, if and condition. I said whenever you write if, after if the condition appears and then the then word is there, then statement is there. Statement means what the condition you will write, according to that what the statement you want to print, that statement you will write. Suppose if I am writing if, in bracket suppose I am writing age greater than 18. If age is greater than 18 means the person is eligible to vote. So if I am writing if, in bracket I am writing age greater than 18, then message box person is eligible to vote. Then I will write here only two statements will execute. Means when I will write message box person is eligible to vote, then I will write end if. After end if, nothing will be written here. And when I will execute the program at runtime, it will ask me enter the age. If I will input the age as greater than 18, means suppose I will input 20. So it will display it will go in the statement, condition statement. It will check if 20 is greater than 18, then message box person is eligible to vote. So 20 is greater than 18 children? Yes, it is greater. So that time what the message it will print? That the person is eligible to vote. And if you will input the number 10, is 10 greater than 18? No. So it will not display anything. Only complete white screen blank screen will appear. It will not display anything. Same way here in second statement, what happened children? If then else end if. If then else end if. If condition consists of if statement consists of the condition followed by one or more statements. If the condition is said to be true, the statement under if conditions are executed, and if the condition is said to be false, the statement under else part would be executed. This else part was not there in first statement. In first statement, only true statements are supposed to print. But in second statement, what happens children? If the condition is getting satisfied, so whatever the statements you are writing under if, it will execute. And if the condition is not getting satisfied children, so whatever the statements are written inside the else part, this else part, that statement will get executed. Like suppose if I am writing again here, if age is greater than 18, then message box in bracket I will write person is eligible to vote. Else in second message box I will write person is not eligible to vote. So same way here, when I will execute the program at runtime, that time when I will input the age as 20, so it will display the person is eligible to vote. And when I will display the age as suppose 10, so here in this it will display person is not eligible to vote. Why? Because it will display either true statement or false statement as per the condition satisfied. As per the condition is getting satisfied. So either it will execute true statement block or it will execute else statement block. But in the first statement, it will execute only true statement block. And in first statement, if the condition is not getting satisfied, so it will not execute the false statement because there is no false statement. So it will give only the white blank screen. Is it clear, dear children? This is all about if then end if statement and if then else end if statement. What happens in if then statement children? One time I will repeat. What happens in first statement? Only true statement will get executed. If the condition is not getting satisfied, so it will give a complete white blank screen. And in second statement, what happened? If the condition is getting satisfied, so it will execute true statement block. And if the condition is not getting satisfied, it will execute the else part statement, means false statement block. Now one program we will execute. The following program asks user his or her age as input and print message accordingly. So this program I will input for this program, first program I will execute in notepad screen. Okay children.